Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best upright exercise bikes that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Circuit Fitness Upright Exercise Bikes. This bike is made with quality plastic and steel materials. It also comes with a very durable frame that actually combines both performance and design. You will like the fact that this bike comes in a design that lets you get on and off the bike with much ease. Apart from that, the sturdy construction of this bike will support a maximum user capacity of 300 pounds. Due to the fact that it is very easy to customize the cycling workout, this bike will be ideal for all fitness enthusiasts regardless of their skill levels. The bike actually comes with 15 preset levels where you simply choose your desired mode. Another great feature about the bike is that it comes with some textured pedals that have straps in order to prevent the legs from sliding. Moving on at number 4, we have the Sunny Health and Fitness Upright Exercise Bikes. When you pedal this bike, you will be pushing against its speedy flywheel via the belt drive mechanism. The good thing about the bike is that you will be able to carry out the indoor cycling workouts even when the bike has not been plugged in. It comes with some pulse sensors allowing you to keep tabs on the heart rate when exercising on the bike. The performance monitor for this bike allows you to easily track speed, calories burned and other workout data that you need. It has 24 pre-installed programs for working out where one can easily choose the workout program that is perfect for them. The sturdy build for this bike not only helps it last long but also allows it to support up to 240 pounds. At number 3, we have the Nautilus Upright Bike. With its enhanced Bluetooth connectivity, users will be able to track and also monitor their progress with the help of an application. You will also appreciate that it comes with 29 unique programs for training where the user can basically choose from. This, therefore, helps you to easily attain your fitness goals and also lose weight. The sturdy construction for this exercise bike allows it to support a maximum weight capacity of 300 pounds. It comes with a weighted flywheel that allows you to start up the workout so easily. With its LCD display also, it will be very easy to see your workout results such as the calories burned. What's more, it comes with a well-padded seat to make sure that you remain comfortable. At number 2, we have the AtiVafit Folding Stationary Exercise Bike. Looking to monitor your workout results as you work out, this one will be a perfect choice. It will help you know the distance, time and even the calories burned during the workout. Another convenient feature about this exercise bike is that it comes with a versatile seat which is easily adjustable. It is therefore right to say that this upright bike will be ideal for every person. Its X-type design not only makes it strong but also helps to guarantee that you remain as stable as possible. You will also appreciate the fact that it can be easily folded into a compact design, meaning that it will save you the storage space. Apart from that, this exercise bike comes with little wheels to guarantee mobility around the room. And finally at number 1, we have the PLENY Foldable Upright Exercise Bikes with Phone Holder. Here is another exercise bike that comes in 2 color options from which the buyer can pick from. Its art design makes it easier especially for the senior people to get on and off. With 16 tension levels, you will have the convenience of setting the level of tension that you require. Given that the black model of this bike comes with 2 times magnetic resistance of the pink model, you know what to pick. This bike comes with an LCD monitor as well to make sure that you effectively track the performance of your workout. Additionally, this bike comes with a compact and lightweight design which makes it a good option for those people who have limited space. What's more, it has transportation wheels that make it movable around the room. Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.